Okay.
We're ready, right?
Already,
Okay.
yeah.
So today, actually, Mr. Xian, he wrote down these 8 Chinese characters, and basically are the verse to the left and the right. So I'm gonna go over the Chinese character, and each character and the pronunciation and the meaning. Okay.
Yeah.
For me, I believe that the ancient, sages, they actually, each Chinese character, they have some inner contents. So we're gonna just deliver the superficial meaning, but the real deep inner content needs to be enlightened by each individual. So translation usually is not try to translate the whole meaning out. Translation, the best translation is to make sure the surface meaning is properly expressed. And then the person who get the surface meaning, if they put their heart into it, the inner content will be blessed to their heart by the high power of the universe. So we here basically are just showing our audience what this each character refers to. And we can share our personal understandings, but everybody can enlighten to even deeper understandings. So this is called a Xin. In Chinese, it's Xin. 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 It's flat tone. Xin. Yeah. So flat tone, since it's the first one, so first tone. The tone, there are 4 tones, like flat, up, down, up, and down.
Okay.
So this is the 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Okay. I will just give that as a note of reference. So this is a Xin, Xin, Xin means heart. Okay. This is like a heart. You see, it's like the shape of it is almost like a heart. Yeah, like a heart shape. Okay. So that's a heart. That Chinese character means heart, human heart.
Heart. Okay.
Okay, Xin. This one is T, E, An, Tian. That's the second tone. Okay, it's going up.
Tian.
Tian. T, E, An, Tian.
Tian.
Now, what does Tian means is means field. Okay.
Field. Yeah.
Okay, Tian. So the next one is Bo, I, Bai. That's also the second tone. That means white. Okay, white. That's Bai. And this one is the E, D.
D.
That's the 4th tone. So I write down 4. Okay, D. This means earth or ground. Okay.
Ground. Yeah. Xin Tian Bai Di.
So if you just pronounce it properly, it goes Xin Xin Tian Tian Bo Ai Bai De Yi Di. Xin Tian Bai Di.
Okay, good.
So it means basically heart field, and it's white and it's ground, like earth. So I think it has very deep inner content. What I enlighten to is that, for a person, right, we have a heart. And that heart is almost like the rice field, like the field that can cultivate for cultivation. So there is a cultivation field in our heart, okay? And it's clean. Bai is pure and white and it's clean. So it's a clean place. It's a clean ground, okay? You have a piece of land in your heart that is kept pure, white, and clean. Okay?
Yes.
So that's called Xin Tian Bai Di. Okay? Xin Tian Bai Di. So you have a beautiful heart, and it's pure and clean. Now, next is advice. Wu. This is W, U, Wu. So it's the 4th tone. Okay, Wu. This is a shi, yi, shi. That's flat tone. That's 1. Okay, shi. This one is qi,
qi, that is a Q, right?
Yeah, Q. Yeah,
qi.
qi. And this is shi, that's again second tone, okay? So here, basically, the full character says, 勿失期时 勿失期时 okay? 勿 means, the English word meaning is no or not, okay?
Or lose.
勿 means no or not.
No, yeah.
失 means lose.
Yeah.
Yeah, 失 means lose, okay? Lose. Do not lose. 勿失 means do not lose. 期 basically means the time period, okay? Time period. Okay?
Period, yeah.
Time period, okay? So everything has a time period, especially when you want to grow something. Some plants need to be in the spring, some plants need to be planted in the summer, some plants need to be in the autumn, you know. So every plant, when you want to cultivate, there is a qi, there is a time period.
Time period.
And shi basically means time, okay? That's time. Time. So 其实 basically together means the correct time. So don't miss. 失 also can say, 失 also can be translated as miss, okay?
Miss, yeah.
To miss the. So don't miss the correct time period. So for each of us as a human being, you know, we have a field, a wonderful rich field in our heart that's pure and clean. And that pure and clean place can put in beautiful seed at the right time and to cultivate, to grow beautiful plants. Treasures can, you know, be born. So this is wisdom from this teaching. My understanding is that it's reminding us that don't forget we have some very beautiful land within us, heart, within our good heart. And it's pure, white, and beautiful. And don't miss the correct time to start cultivating.
Yeah, so now cultivating time.
Yeah. So this is really, I think, a very important time in today. Again, Mr. Shim says, now it's cultivating time.
Yeah.
It is a very important signal. The reason today me and Mr. Shim are doing this, I think the heaven is using us as a vehicle, as messengers, to tell our audience that this is the season. This is the qi and the shi that we don't want to miss. This is the time that our heart now has a beautiful pure land and ready to put some seed in of truth. The seed of truth that we can put in our heart, and then we very carefully cultivate that. And then eventually we'll bring out to a beautiful tree that will grow beautiful fruit, you know, and also bring blessings to everyone. So I think the key message is that it's time for do cultivation practice.
Cultivating our mind.
Cultivation practice. Now in Chinese, this is called 修炼, okay? 修炼. This is the time. This is the time that is great for cultivation practice.
Cultivation practice.
Cultivation practice. By following the righteous cultivation practice, we will be able to ascend out of it. So this is a subject that will continue in the next several lectures. Okay?
Yeah. So now is very important time. So everybody don't forget this sentence.
So let's repeat several times because it's always good to repeat several times to memorize it. Okay. 心田白地.
心田白地.
Once again. 心
田白地. 勿
失
期
心田白地，勿失其时。
哦，心田白地，勿失其时。
No, the tone needs to pay attention. 心田白地。
心田白地。
Good. 勿失其时。No, 时。Go up. Yeah. 时其。勿失其时。
勿失其时。
Excellent. Yeah, so usually the tone, when it goes like this, it means 时. Okay, not 是. It's 时. Yeah. It's going up. 时.
Yeah.
心田白地，勿失其时。
心田白地，勿失其时。
No, 时。
心田白地，勿失其。
No.
其时。
These are both uptone. Try again. 其时。勿失其时。Yeah, going up. Okay. 勿失其时。心田白地，勿失其时。
心田白地，勿失其时。
Excellent, you did it. Try again.
心田白地，勿失其时。
No, 时。Practice it, okay?
Yeah.
Going up. 其时。That's it.
Okay.
Going up. Yeah.
Okay,
Good.
okay,
I think
okay.
today we have a nice lesson.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.